All right, guys, I wanted to show you the Printful website. Hey, I got a little pop-up right here. You can register to get, a discount. That's a cool thing with them. Um, and basically, yeah, you just come in here. I wanted to show you how to set up an account so you can. I like just using like a Google sign up thing, and it's easier that way. You can create an account or you can use like an existing one. So I'm just gonna use like Cali Prints. It's just a little quick little um, email that I created real quick, and yeah, and you can just set up, use your Gmail, whatever it is, and then sign up, and there you go. And tell us about yourself. So I'm gonna sell merchandise to my followers. Start my first online business. You can just do that. Finish, and there you go. And this is how it looks like. Um, it's pretty easy. You can just right off the bat start designing your first product. So here, the way you can get started is you create your product and edit the template, and then you pick the product that you want to create, add the design, and then add products to the store, and you're ready to go. And so, for example, I'm just gonna pick like a random. Let's see. Let me grab this one. Add to store. So you could no. I'm gonna go. Come over here. Come over to product templates. I'm going to create a new product up there. So, okay, so you're in the site for the first time like this, and just click on right here, click create new, and then let's just make a t-shirt. So I'm going to click on uh, right here, men's clothing, and I'm just going to do all shirts. And then I'm gonna go with, like, for example, the one that I've used most popular is the Gilding 5000. Look, it's $7.66 right now. At the time of this recording. I just clicked on that, and I'm just gonna create like a black shirt like that, and I'm just gonna do, let's do embroidery. No, let me add. Come down here. You can pick the area that you want. So if you want a large, something in the chest area, or in the left chest, or large center, um, or even in the back. They can put something on there. Outside label, usually found in the back of your t-shirt, like upper back, and then the inside label too. You can also put your logo size, large, extra large, or you can just put like your slogan. You can just put your logo, slogan, and then obviously the customer will know what size they're getting because they ordered it in that certain size. So I'm just gonna do like a quick chest, center chest, just for the training purposes to show you guys. I'm gonna come over here to choose file. Um, did I pick embroidery? I think I did. Let's see, choose file. Okay, so I'm gonna click on choose file, and it gives you a little spiel about embroidery and all that, and you can go through the tutorial if you want. But I'm just gonna upload this quick design for you guys to show you. I'm gonna add this logo onto a white, or onto a black t-shirt. I'm gonna hit apply right there, and then boom, there it is. And then you can size it to fit your needs, but it tells you the recommended size, so it comes out correctly. But I think I picked embroidery. I think that's why it's telling me that it's only limited to that size. Yeah, I did pick embroidery. Yeah, see, I'm gonna do DTG. Yes, continue. So DTG is direct to garment, and that's what we want. So I'm gonna click on here. I'm gonna apply my logo, and now it should give me a bigger size. So now, yeah, see how much room I have? There we go. So it's a big old design that you can add, and you can even move it up a little bit right there. And there you have it. Just my name, my logo, real quick. And then you can position it. You can put it in the back if you want. Outside label again, inside label. Left sleeve if you want to put something on the left sleeve, maybe like a little flag. I know a lot of men's brands have like a little American flag or whatever. That's pretty cool. On the right sleeve as well. But yeah, just for training, I'm just gonna put this right here, and I'm gonna come over here and hit. When you're done with all that designing, you can add text, you can add clip art, all these things you can add to them. But I'm happy with this. I'm just gonna show you guys, and you hit continue, and there you have it. Um, and then I'm gonna pick the sizes that I want. So I'm gonna do like all the way up to 2x, and then hit save product. And now I just created a product um, for my store. And yeah, and you can they have sample ones here that you can check out. But here I want to do. There's a place that I can get mock-ups from. So let me see here. I think this is the store aspect of it. I want to create just a simple product. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to start a new order. And I'm going to do create a basic order. And then I'm gonna do like a long sleeve just to see if I can get that mock-up for you guys. So I'm gonna do like, for example, Gildan 2400 long sleeve. It's $11.55 for the garment. But then to add, obviously it's gonna add in the design, it's gonna cost more. So I'm gonna do a 2x, and I'm gonna put in here, apply my design to it like that, make it a little bit bigger like that, and move it up, okay, like that. And then I'm gonna do full screen preview. That's cool. You can do that. You can even do save image. And now you have literally an image saved. So I'm just gonna create like a folder for my brand. I am t-shirt brand, like that. Hit save. And now if I open that up, boom, I got a mock-up. I can take this image, put it on, slap it on my website, and now I can test this out. Drive traffic to it, running Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, all that. And then if people are buying this, then I know, okay, I'm gonna order this in bulk with my local screen printer or even with Printful. But that was just a quick way to get a quick mock-up. But they have other features that you can get like a bunch of mock-ups. For example, I'm gonna do a hat. And so I'm gonna do a basic order, create your order, and then I'm gonna do um let's do a better hat. I don't like this hat. So let's go over to men's. Oh, right here, hats. Sorry, man, it's taking forever. Okay, so I got hats, and I'm gonna come over here to like, let's see some of these hats. I like this one here, the retro trucker hat. Yupong 6606, $10.15. And I'm gonna take this design out because I don't like this. This was just a sample that they added, and I'm gonna do my own design that I have, my logo. Actually, I'm gonna do an upload. I'm gonna add a better, or without the naming of it. I'm just gonna do just the logo, the I am, and then taking a little while. I uploaded my logo, and I added my logo to the template here, and it right away it gives you like a quick preview. You can zoom in. It gives you like a quick preview of how it looks with embroidery, with the stitching. See that? Like you can see it. It's actually pretty cool. Um, you can pick the color. You can choose a different color like that, like a gold color. Yeah, the possibilities are endless here, guys. And you can see the preview of how it looks with stitching. So that's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna do that real quick, and then I'm gonna hit save template. So I have this as a template, guys, for my store later on if I wanna um, add this to my store. You can even see it in 3D puff. It adds $1.50 to it, but that's cool. But I like flat embroidery. I'm gonna hit continue, um, and then you can do even full screen preview, and there you go.